Hello students, I am Pushpa. Welcome to the English section of my YouTube channel PG Education and Career. Students, I will discuss Safura Talent Discovery Examination 2021-22 question paper from the question number 77 to 100. I will discuss these questions thoroughly. Listen carefully. Number 77, first question. Which state does celebrate the Hornbill Festival? Which state celebrates the Hornbill Festival? Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Among these four options, the C number option Nagaland is correct. Here, Nagaland is correct answer. Next question: which of the following is one of the most important conditions for plants to prepare their food? Here, sunlight, moonlight, starlight, no light. So the correct option will be sunlight. Without sunlight, the plants cannot prepare their food. Next, hydroelectric is produced from air, water, sunlight, none of them. Here, the correct option is water, number B. Next question, a means of communication which we use nowadays to get desired information whenever we want it. Among the four, radio, internet, telephone, television, the B option is correct. Internet. Through internet, we get the desired information. Next question: match the following and select the correct option from the clues given below. In column 1, it takes the shape of its container, which takes generally it is liquid. Liquid takes the shape of its container. A will match with 2, so A will match with 2. So here A will match 2. Next sentence B, it retains the same shape. It will match with 1 solid. It retains the same shape. The solid retains the same shape. It does not change its shape. So B will match with 1. So B will match with 1. Next, number C, if you freeze a liquid, it will become what? Solid. If we freeze a liquid, it will become freeze. So it will become solid. 1. So C will match with 1. Next, for number D, if you boil water, it will become what? Gas. So D will match with 3. D will match 3. So the correct option will be B. The right answer is B. Next, blind people also can read and write. They use a special script called here bright, breeze, valley, braille. The correct option will be braille. B is correct here. Next, a person who carves statues is called craftsman, sculptor, artist, statue. The B is correct. Sculptor. Let's come to the next question. Here, opposite gender of dog is drag. The correct answer is drag, not some, darkling, or none of them. Next question, 85. Antonym of diabetes. Deposit, payment, credit, money. Here, the credit. Number C option is correct. Credit. The opposite of diabetes, or antonym or opposite of diabetes, credit. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable option. Don't break in, at, and, for conversion. Here, A is correct. Don't drag in over conversation. The moon shines last night. It is very easy. The moon shines at night. Next, there is enough food for both you and I. Here, which of the following option can be used to replace the underlined words to keep the meaning same? Here, for both you and I, for this pronoun, we can use either us or we. The us is correct. Us, number C is correct. Next, some words, a group of words below are jumbled. Choose the incorrect correct sequence to get meaningful sentence. From these sample words, we can arrange a meaningful sentence. So, the meaningful sentence will be: in the age of Mahabharata, Assam is called Pragyatis. So, in the east, that number 2 will come first. Number 2. Here is 2, also 2, here is 2. I will now check the second. In this age of Mahabharata, after 2, 1 will come. 2, after 2, here 1 comes. After 2, here 3 comes. After 2, here 4 comes. So, this will be correct. In the age of Mahabharata, Assam was called. Next, that 3 comes. So, option B is correct. 90. Was A of Assam great saint Sankiriva? Here, the correct meaningful sentence will be: Sankiriva was a great saint of Assam. So Sankiriva will come first. The number 4 will come first. Here also 4. Next will come Sankiriva was. Next will come 1. Here also 1. Number 3, Sankiriva was a great saint. Then 3 will come. Here 3 comes. So number B is correct. Next, the largest animal in the world is blue whale. Here is a blue whale, not elephant. So, next, who is the following cannot run in water? Hovercraft, ship, monorail, kayak. Here, monorail cannot run in water. All 3 can do. So, monorail. The number B is right answer. Next, Itanagar is the capital of which Indian state? It is Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Next, the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi was? It is very simple. It is Porabandar. Next, the hill station Shillong belongs to the state of Meghalaya. It is also very easy. Next question. The highest civilian award in India is Bharat Ratna. A Nobel Prize is not Indian award. A Padma Shri, yes, it is also an Indian award, but not highest. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award. Next, the world's largest international airport is situated in London, Jeddah, New York. None of this. Exactly, the largest international airport is Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta Airport. It is in USA, not in New York. Yes, it is in USA, but not in New York. So here none of this. The D option is correct. D. Next, which of the following does not lay eggs? Bat, eagle, crow, parrot. Here bat is correct. Bat does not lay egg. It gives birth to its egg. Next, in terms of distance, which of the following countries nearest up to Assam? It is not USA, not Japan, not China, it is Bhutan. Last question. Fiber that we get from an insect is called silk. Not cotton, not jute, not coconut. Always cotton, jute, coconut are we get these three is produced from plants, not insect. So that's all for today.